We take connectivity for granted, but behind every bar on your phone is a massive, complex web of towers, satellites, and fiber. Keeping that network alive 24/7 is impossible for humans alone. That's why telecom is now an AI industry. The biggest shift is the self-healing network. In the past, if a tower failed, you lost service until a truck rolled out. Today, AI detects the failure instantly and automatically reroutes traffic to other towers, often fixing the outage before you even notice. First, predictive maintenance. Telecom hardware is expensive. AI analyzes data from drones and sensors to spot rusting bolts on a tower or overheating servers in a data center. It predicts failure weeks in advance, so maintenance happens on schedule, not during an emergency. Second, 5G optimization. 5G is fast but tricky. It needs precise tuning. AI algorithms adjust antenna angles and power levels in real time based on where the crowd is, like boosting signal at a stadium during a game and lowering it at night to save energy. Third, customer experience. Nobody likes calling their ISP. AI virtual assistants can diagnose your home Wi-Fi issues remotely, reboot your router, or schedule a tech without you waiting on hold. It turns a 40-minute call into a 2-minute fix. Fourth, fraud detection. Robocalls and SIM swap fraud cost billions. AI analyzes call patterns in milliseconds to flag scammers and block spam calls before your phone even rings. It's the invisible shield protecting your number. The future is zero-touch automation. As we move toward 6G, networks will run themselves entirely, configuring new slices for self-driving cars or VR surgery instantly with zero human intervention. AI is building the nervous system of the digital world. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.